Hi friends, this is the rate I old monk and today we are with the Vivo Y17 and we are going to do the unboxing of the device, also check the camera features, face unlock. Talking about the device, it comes with the triple AI camera. It is a 4GB RAM, 128GB internal storage. It comes with a 5000 massive battery. This is a mineral blue color. The price point of the device is 17,990 and it is a made in India box. The device is also available in the online and the offline stores. Another color which is coming with the device is the Mystic purple color. It is a gradient kind of color. This is the little bit dark blue color. So here we will going to do the unboxing and you can see in the box what we are getting is the silicone back cover with the some paper guide which includes the device information guide, warranty card and also the quick start guide. So these are the paperwork what are coming with the device. There is a plastic silicone back cover. Now here in the box what you are getting is the device, and this is a pretty much similar boxing of Vivo what we have seen earlier. Here you can see it comes with the glass finish at the back. Let's boot the device for some time and see what are the other box contents are. Here you are getting a micro USB charging slot. It is a dual engine fast charging support. There are earphones also present in the box. There is also a charger. Here you can pause the video and check the rating of the charger. In the device here you can do the face unlock. It takes only less than a minute to register your face. Once it has been enrolled, you can definitely unlock your device. And the strange thing is that I have tried and tested in the lowest light possible condition and it works very well. There is no issue in working in the low light situation for the device. Now in the device there is also a fingerprint sensor at the back where you can register few fingerprints. Now talking about the device, it works in the lowest light possible scenario and does the face unlock very smoothly. There is no hiccup in that, and I really like of the face unlocking of the device. Here you can see the mineral blue color from the back. It is a fingerprint sensor, AI triple camera return. The triple camera setup is 13 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel camera, where 2 is a depth sensor, 8 is a AI wide angle and 13 megapixel is the primary camera. There is a dual LED flash. In the bottom you have the Vivo branding. It comes with the gradient blackish kind of finish at the back, and bottom and the top it is a little bit lighter blue. On the side you are getting a power button and the volume rocker keys, and on the top there is nothing. On the other side we are getting the SIM card slot, which we will take it out and show you in the device what we are getting. So the device comes with the triple slot where you are getting a 2 nano SIM card slot and 1 micro SD card slot which is expandable, and the dual SIM card slot both support the 4G VoLTE support. And going to the bottom in the device we are getting the speaker grills, noise cancellation mic, micro USB charging slot and the 3.5mm jack also present in the device. The display is 6.35 inch SD plus display. This is definitely gorgeous. Coming to the front camera, it has a 20 megapixel front camera. Now in the device we will see some more things. In the settings here you can see it has a enable easy touch coming with the device. Now going to the more settings, about phone, here you can see it has a octa-core MediaTek Helio P35 processor. This is a 4GB RAM, 128GB internal storage device. It has a massive 5000 mAh battery which supports dual engine charge, and it is running on ColorOS 9 which is based on Android 9.0 Pie. In Y17 what we are getting is the system update. Here you can see it is the FunTouch OS, the newest ColorOS version, and it has few minor changes. I will show you. Here you can see the fingerprint, the face unlock and the password setting is there, where you can register with a pattern or a pin code. There is also fingerprint, multiple fingerprint can be registered. There is a face unlock. The face unlock works smoothly in the low light situation. Now talking about the device, it comes with the 128GB internal storage which is definitely very huge, coming with the price point bracket, and it has a 4GB of RAM inside it and 5000 mAh battery of course is a big thing. It has a 6.35 inch which is also a big screen. There is a water drop notch in the device, and which is called Hello View display. It has a OTG support. Here I will show you some of the OS features which are new. Here the status bar notification. Here you can put the status bar notification where the battery percentage if you want to see the battery. Now we are going to the Jovi thing. Jovi is a smart assistant where the smart camera is there. It will tell you the smart face beauty, how to do that feature. You can put it on. There is smart scenario. It has some multiple scenarios it will take while you are capturing the picture. And the other thing is the game mode. The GameCube has been changed, and this is the ultra gaming mode which came with the device. We will do a proper separate video for the device in which you can check out the gaming of the device, and it will be based on PUBG. There we will put also the benchmark of the device, that how much good the benchmarks are. Now talking about the mobile bike mode, there is a riding mode. When you are riding a bike, you can put it on. This we have seen earlier Vivo phones also, and this will help you to ride the bike without any notification, message or vibration, or break your concentration while driving the motorbike. So now coming to the device, one more thing into the battery. It has a powerful battery where you also get the super power saving mode, low power saving mode. Now talking about the smart motion, we are getting a smart awake. In this you have the slide upward to unlock, slide downward to take a picture, C to dial. These are the motion which you can use operation. There is also air operation coming in the device. There is smart turn off and turn on the screen. There is smart call where you pick the call, you can answer it, you can mute it. There is shake to turn off the flashlight and also start reminding you. So there are few features which are given in this section below. I am going back again. There is also smart mirroring which you can mirror your device to other desktop. There is also smart split where you can split the two apps together. One hand uses S capture where you can capture the screen using some new and good innovative methods used by Vivo. There is also app clone where you can use WhatsApp and Facebook with different accounts together at the same time. And lastly, it is the smart click. The smart click is where you can put the volume down button and you can change it into other functions like record audio. You can also put into open camera, open Facebook, enable any other app, or turn off or turn on the flashlight. Now coming to the settings, here you can see we are getting the notification settings very new. There are few shortcut center which you can change according to your need. Now coming from the bottom, there is whole display thing is very new. The brightness, the volume settings, these all the functions and the notification lights are different. You can also change the number of icons which you want in the main screen. And here you can see this is completely a new redesign by Vivo for this device. Definitely this is looking very new, and this is not we are used to it. Now talking about the assistant, this is separately assistant of Vivo what we have seen, where you get the shortcuts for some apps. There is also step count monitor, there is weather, there is also headline. Now you also get a new Google search bar, which we haven't seen in the earlier Vivo devices. Talking about the apps, it comes with the multiple bloatware apps, but you can also uninstall them from your device. Now going to the camera, which is one of the most important thing of the device. Here what we are getting in the settings, you can see you can change the aspect ratio, you can put it touch or palm or voice control while taking the picture. You can also put watermark. There is also framing lines which are called the grid lines, and you can put up the sound also. Now in the device here you can see if I put a wide mode, it goes to the wide angle. It is due to the 8 megapixel AI wide angle camera. Now talking about the portrait and the bokeh mode, it works on the 2 megapixel which is at the back. The main primary camera is the 13 megapixel camera. Talking about the video of the device, what we are getting in the settings, here you can see we are getting a full HD, HD and SD video recording in the rear camera. And talking about the front, we can also record full HD, HD and SD camera recording. Now talking about some of the modes what we are getting in the device, these are the previously we have seen this, which includes the dock mode, pro mode, panorama mode, beauty mode, photo mode, full video mode. And in the top we are getting the flash off. There is also HDR which you can put it enable or not. There is a live photo mode. Now we have tried and captured few images using the low light situation, also the ultra wide portrait mode, also the bokeh mode from the front. And you can check these images and judge yourself, is the camera good or not. So let's check out the camera samples. So this is all about the Vivo Y17. It is priced for 17,990. This is the mineral blue color. If you have any question and doubt regarding the Vivo Y17, do let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share the video and also subscribe to our channel.